Hello YouTube. We're huffing and a puffing here. We ripped the forms out. We took a picture of it before. That's 10 inches deep, which will be covered up with dirt. So it's about the same height step as the second step, but it's pretty deep. We got a before picture too. We had to go back through some of our pictures because we forgot to take them when we started the project. But we found some when we were doing the bench and painting the house what it looked like. So there you go, 12 inches out. I can't tell you right off what that is, but we'll measure it. Like I said, we'll fill the dirt up so it's even. So you got the riser, whatever they call it, is the same. So it's the same step from the mulch. But that was 10 inch wide, the form was. We didn't have the edger tool, so we're going to take a blade on our 4.5 inch grinder. It's a masonry blade. And we're going to grind this sharp edge off here so it's weathered. We did take a brush. Sorry about the sun. We did take a brush and brush the stuff off the top so it'll leave a little bit of that gravel, that small sand gravel, so it has a rough texture. And then we will probably refinish it next year. We have a hole over here. We got some patching compound we're going to put in there, so we can get you a little close up there. There, you can see it better. But there you go. We're done. We'll leave you a few more pictures here when we grind this edge off, what it looks like. So thanks for watching.